How to install the US International Keyboard. This can be really handy if you frequently need to type accents on words or special characters and don't want to use the character map built into Windows. In order to install the US International Keyboard, click on the Start menu in the lower left-hand corner. Click on the Settings gear here, and over on the right, you'll click on Time and Language. Next, back on the left, you'll click on Region and Language. And you should already have English United States installed. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going into the options. I'm going to add a keyboard. As you can see, the US QWERTY keyboard is already installed. If you scroll down, you'll come to United States International QWERTY keyboard. This keyboard is now installed. I'm going to close the settings menu. In order to use the international keyboard, down by the clock in the taskbar, you can click and switch over to the international keyboard. Now here are some tips. A common letter that you need to type is E with an accent, as in the word cafe, C-A-F. But how do you type the accent over the E? Way to do it is to press the single apostrophe key next to the Enter key on your keyboard, and now press E. Now, if you need to type the accent that goes the other way, you can type the letters B-I, and I want to type E with an accent going the other way. Press the single quote in the upper left-hand corner of your keyboard, and now press the letter E, and you've managed to now type that word with a correct accent. Now I'm going to type the letter C with a cedilla or cedi accent on it. G-A-R, and I'm going to type the letter C by pressing the single quote and the letter C, and I'm able to do that easily. If I want to type the letter O with an accent above it, I can press O, Shift 6, the letter O, and then I can finish typing.